Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best shower steamers is probably one of the most luxurious and affordable ways to transform your daily shower into a relaxing, aromatic spa experience, and today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of scented shower steamers, exploring what makes them unique, how to use them effectively, and most importantly, which ones truly deliver on their promises of aromatherapy and a refreshing shower experience. Number 5. Cleverfy Shower Steamers. Unwind with our 6 unique shower steamers, each bursting with essential oils and delightful fragrances. They're perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Experience the sublime scents of lavender, eucalyptus, vanilla, watermelon, grapefruit, and peppermint. Each steamer offers a unique aromatherapy experience to refresh and rejuvenate. Searching for a thoughtful gift? These shower steamers make wonderful presents for birthdays, bridal showers, or any special occasion. They're sure to be appreciated by everyone. Made with cruelty-free essential oils and natural fragrances, these shower steamers deliver pleasantly strong scents. Treat yourself to an at-home spa experience. Transform your shower into a tranquil escape. These shower steamers help you unwind in the evenings and energize your mornings, promoting restful sleep and a positive mood. Simply place a steamer in the corner of your shower and let the aromatherapy work its magic. Breathe deeply and enjoy a moment of daily serenity. What we like? It features 6 unique and delightful scents to match your mood. If you're looking for a thoughtful and versatile gift for any occasion, this is a great choice. This is perfect if you enjoy the aromatic benefits of essential oils in your daily shower routine. What people say? Great adult son little gift stocking etc. along with a shower back brush. Adult sons usually do not think to purchase something like these for themselves, but showers are usually their choice and these scents are a nice extra for their day to start anew. The ones I bought came in a round well-made container that sits easy on their bath counter. I love these tablets. You will have to select your preferred scent, but these are a must-try. The fact of getting multiple scents is a bonus since you have different moods. You should select the scent that matches the mood of the day. The bath steamers do exactly as what they are advertised to do. The gentle lilac smell in my shower was very relaxing as I was washing. I will definitely be buying more. I got some as stocking stuffers for the ladies in my family. Number 4. Body Restore Shower Steamers. Unwind with our aromatherapy shower steamers. They dissolve, releasing essential oils for deep relaxation and relief, making them perfect gifts for anyone. Enjoy a luxurious at-home spa experience. These long-lasting shower steamers are perfect for restoring and relaxing naturally. They're an ideal gift for any occasion. Melt away daily stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They're a thoughtful gift for teachers, parents, or anyone needing some self-care. These compact steamers are perfect for travel. Take relaxation on the go. They're great for students, graduates, or anyone who appreciates a little self-care. Show you care with a thoughtful gift. They're ideal for holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion, making them perfect for friends, family, or colleagues. What we like? With 15 shower steamers in one pack, it offers exceptional value and longevity. If you love the invigorating scent of eucalyptus and want a relaxing shower experience, this is for you. It's perfect for those who want to unwind and de-stress after a long day. What people say? It's so simple. While your shower is heating up, cut open the little packet and remove the tablet. Place the tablet on the floor of your steamy shower and enjoy. It produces the perfect amount of aromatherapy and dissolves in about the same time as your shower. Amazing. They also last a long time in the shower and truly add to the steam experience. The smell of each pod was absolutely soothing and filled the bathroom with a calming aroma. The steamers dissolve slowly and release just the right amount of fragrance without being overpowering. Number 3. Bloom Body Restore Shower Steamers. Experience the rejuvenating power of aromatherapy with our Bloom shower steamers. Unwind and refresh your senses with a blend of essential oils. It features a delightful mix of eucalyptus, mint, citrus, lavender, and more. These essential oils create a luxurious and therapeutic spa experience. Enjoy a longer-lasting aromatherapy experience than typical shower steamers. It's perfect for restoring and relaxing naturally. Melt away daily stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are ideal for self-care, or as a thoughtful gift for someone special. Compact and convenient, they're perfect for on-the-go relaxation. Take the spa with you wherever you go. Show your appreciation with a thoughtful gift. They make wonderful presents for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. What we like. This 6-pack offers a delightful blend of floral and refreshing scents. If you appreciate a longer-lasting shower steamer that leaves your bathroom smelling amazing, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those seeking a spa-like experience at home. What people say. The scent was very strong, filled my bathroom with an aromatic atmosphere. I loved the lavender option. I appreciated that they dissolved without leaving any mess. It lasted the whole shower and the aroma really made me feel well relaxed, ready for a good night's sleep. Good quality product. Made from good essential oil. The tablets are individually packed too. Number 2. Body Restore Bath Bombs. Unwind with the calming scent of lavender. These bath bombs are infused with natural essential oils to help you relax and de-stress before bed. They make wonderful gifts for anyone needing some pampering. Transform your bathroom into a luxurious spa. It offers a longer-lasting aromatherapy experience than other shower steamers, providing a truly restorative escape. Indulge in some well-deserved self-care. Melt away the day's worries with these soothing bath bombs. The relaxing aroma helps to ease tension and promote a sense of calm. They're a thoughtful gift for anyone needing a little relaxation. Take relaxation on the go. Their compact size makes them perfect for travel, ensuring you can always enjoy a soothing experience, no matter where you are. Great for students or frequent travelers. Show your appreciation with a thoughtful gift. These bath bombs are perfect for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays. They're a unique and memorable present for friends, family, or colleagues. What we like. This set contains 15 lavender-infused steamers, perfect for creating a calming and relaxing atmosphere. If you enjoy the soothing aroma of lavender and want to unwind before bed, you should definitely consider this. It's ideal for those seeking a tranquil and restful night's sleep. What people say. The scent was very strong, filled my bathroom with an aromatic atmosphere. I loved the lavender option. I appreciated that they dissolved without leaving any mess. It lasted the whole shower and the aroma really made me feel well relaxed, ready for a good night's sleep. Good quality product. Made from good essential oil. The tablets are individually packed too. Number 1. Body Restore Shower Steamers. These aromatherapy shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils for deep relaxation. They make perfect gifts for anyone. It provides a longer-lasting spa experience than other shower steamers. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to restore and relax naturally. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for self-care or as thoughtful gifts for friends and family. Compact and convenient, they are perfect for on-the-go relaxation. Take them with you wherever you travel for a moment of peace. Spoil your loved ones with these thoughtful gifts. They're ideal for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays. What we like. It includes 15 refreshing citrus-scented steamers to uplift your mood. If you are looking for an invigorating and uplifting shower experience, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to start their day feeling refreshed and energized. What people say. They smell great and give such a refreshing smell in the shower. The Energize pack is my favorite. The citrus scents give me a wake-up boost in the morning. I can usually get 2 uses out of each steamer. It fills the shower with a great aroma that lasts for the shower. Shower steamers have been a total game changer for my self-care Sundays. These little aromatic wonders are so easy to use. Just place one on the floor of the shower, and as the water hits it, it releases a soothing fragrance that transforms the entire bathroom into a mini spa. The variety of scents also adds to the relaxation. Whether I want to feel energized with a burst of citrus or unwind with lavender, there's always a perfect option for whatever mood I'm in. Plus, the convenience is unbeatable. They dissolve as I shower, making it such a low-maintenance yet luxurious addition to my routine. Another huge plus is that they help me disconnect and fully enjoy those quiet moments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.